Assalamu alaikum class 6. It's your mathematics teacher Umara Ali. Yeah, it's our fourth lecture. Our main topic is introduction to the set, while subtopic is types of set. Types of set, we have finite set. It contains a finite or limited numbers of elements. A is equals to 1, 2, 3. There is some n, so it is a finite set. We can count it, okay? Infinite set, it is a set which contains an infinite or unlimited of objects. We can't count it. The value of set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on. So it is infinite. Unit sets or a singleton set that contains only one element. A is equals to bracket 10. Empty set that contains no element. A is equals to empty set. Here we can write empty set is also called null set. Here we have a disjoint set, two or more set if they have no common elements. No common elements. In the set A, can you see 1, 2, 3, and the set B having 5, 7, 9, there is some common? No. So it's a disjoint set. Disjoint set Venn diagram is look like this. And the C is having 3, 5, 7, and D having 7, 9, 11. So we have there is common. Yes, we have a 7 common. So the Venn diagram is look like this. So it's a not disjoint set. Overlapping set, two or more set that they have at least one common element. 1, 2, 3, and B is having 2, 4, 6. The common value is 2. At least one common. It means they are overlapping sets. Equivalent set, two or more set if they have an equal number of elements. No need of same values. Means 1, 2, 3, and the B set having ABC. They are not same, but the number of elements are same, so they are equivalent set. Equal set, two or more set if they contain the same elements. It must be same, so it is called the equal set. Universal set is a set which contains all the sets under consideration. J set having January, July, June. A having April and August. U shows universal set which contains months of a year, as we know that January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So we are writing each and every month over there. Just write J set elements in the J, A set elements in the A, and rest of them in U. Subset is a set that is fully contained in a bigger set. The bigger set is called superset. A having 2, 4, 6 is a subset of B. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and B is a superset of A. If A having 2, 4, 6, then subset of A are empty bracket 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 2, 6, 4, 6, and last 2, 4, 6. Note this, null set is a subset of every set, and every set is a subset of itself. All other sets are called proper subset. Cardinal number of a subset. What are the cardinal number of a set? A number of element of a set is called cardinal number. Count, we have in the set A 1, 2, 3 values. So the cardinal number of this set is 3. Okay. Now we have a practice time of these questions of today's lecture. The questions are from exercise 1D. We have question number 1. Make a list of finite set and infinite set from the following. Set of cities in the Pakistan can be counted? Yes or no? Yes. So the answer is finite. Set of universities in Lahore can we count out? Yes. So it's also a finite. Set of whole numbers can we count out? No. So it's in infinite. Set of negative integers can we count? No. So it is also infinite. Set of points on the line segment can we count out? No. It's also a infinite. Set of vowels of alphabets can we count out? Yes. A, E, I, O, U. Yes. 5. So it's a finite set. Now we have a question number 2. Make a list of empty sets from the following. Set of whole numbers between 9 and 10. The value of a 9 and 10 can we have? No. So it's a empty set. set of people who landed on Mars before 1994. Is this? No. So it's also empty set. Set of integers between 4 and 6. There is 5 values, so it is not empty set. Set of even prime numbers, yes we have, so it is not an empty set, the value of 2. The set of 3-digit number greater than 1000, is there any 3-digit value or greater than 1000? No, so it's not, it's empty set. Number 6 is the set of points of intersection of a two non-parallel lines is not empty. Make a list of the pair of sets which are equal from the following. A is equal to 2, 3, 4, while B having 3, 4, 5. Are they equal? Are they same? No. So it is not equal. The value of A having 1, 4, 9, B having 1, 2, 2, 3, 2. Are they same? No. So they are not equal. A having empty set, 0 set, one value is 0, while B having empty set. Are they equal? No, they are not equal. Number 4, A having 2 set and B having set of even prime. Is it equal set or not? Yes, it is equal set. Number 5, A having value A, B, C, D, E, B having set of vowels of English alphabet, and as you know that vowels of English alphabets are A, E, I, O, U. They are not equal. Okay, and the last one is x colon x is an even number less than 4, while B having 2. Are they same? Yes, they are same. Make a list of equivalent set from the following. What we have: A having R, L, F, E, while B having F, L, E, R. So the values are same. Yes, number of counts are same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 2, the values are same, so they are same. The set A having CAR, ARCS. Are they same? No. The set A having 1, 2, 3, and the while set B having 1, 2, 3, 4. So they are not equivalent. C having ABC, B having XYZ. Are they equivalent or not? They are equivalent set. The G is a set of counting numbers less than 13. H is the set of numbers of a month in a year. Month in a year is 12. The C set having 13 values. They are equivalent? Yes, they are equivalent. 5 is 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. While B having 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Are they equivalent? No, they are not equivalent. Now the question number 5. Find the relationship between each pair of a set A and B. The A set having 1, 2, 3, 4 will be having 1, 2, 3, 4. It means B is a subset of A. Number 2, A, E, I, O, A, E, U. B set having set of vowels English alphabets. It means A is a subset of B. A, P, A, R, B having R, P, A. It means A and B are equal set. Very good. Now we have a sixth question. Write the missing elements in each pair of the set to make them equal. So we have a question number 1, which is S, O, F, T, while the second bracket, second set having T, F, dash, O. The what the element is missing? Yes, O. Next one is 1, 2, 3, and the second bracket having 1, 3. What's the number missing? Yes, 2. Now we have AET. What's the missing in the second bracket is E. Okay. The next one is POT. What's the missing? O. Now we have last question number 7. Write the missing element of missing elements to make each pair of set equivalent. 1, 2, 3 and AE. You can write any alphabet to make it equivalent. So I'm writing I. You can write B, C, D, any number, any alphabet. Number 2 question is having apple, banana, grapes, orange, and we have A, B. So you can write C, D. Okay. London, Paris, Montreal, and Kasur, Peshawar. You can write any other city name. I'm writing Karachi. Number fourth is 1 3 5, and the other having set having 2 4. The what's the value is missing, you can write because it's an odd number. The second one having even number, so I'm writing 6. That's the all today's lecture. Thank you very much. You have to write down each and every question in your copy. This is the end of today's lecture. So Allah Hafiz.